In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an additional camera with Microsoft Teams in 2025. Whether you're using a laptop webcam, an external USB camera, or a professional DSLR or mirrorless camera, I'll guide you through the process to ensure seamless integration with Microsoft Teams. First, let's make sure your camera is connected. If you're using a laptop, you don't have to do anything extra since the webcam is built in. However, if you have an external USB camera, simply plug it into one of your computer's USB ports. For those working with professional cameras, like a DSLR or mirrorless, you'll need a capture card, like the Elgato Cam Link, or webcam utility software provided by your camera's manufacturer to facilitate the connection. Once your camera is connected, you need to confirm that your computer detects it. If you're on a Windows 10 or 11 PC, navigate to Settings, select Devices, then Bluetooth and Devices, and finally Camera. On a Mac, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and Camera. Scroll through the list to ensure your camera appears there and isn't blocked by any privacy settings. This is an essential step as your computer needs to recognize your camera before you move on. Next, let's open Microsoft Teams settings to configure your camera within the app. First, launch Microsoft Teams on your computer and click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the window. From there, select Settings and then Devices. This section allows you to personalize your Teams experience by choosing the camera you want to use. In the Devices settings, go to the Camera section where you'll find a drop-down list. Here, you can select your preferred camera, for example, a Logitech HD webcam or Cam Link 4K. Choosing your device from the list will give you a live preview of your video feed, so you can make sure it's set up exactly how you want it before entering a meeting. Before you join a meeting, it's a good idea to test everything. In the Teams settings, click on Make a Test Call. During this call, you can check factors like lighting and camera angle to ensure your video is clear and your setup is just right. If you're unsatisfied with the test results, make necessary adjustments to enhance the quality of your video call. Finally, when you're ready to join a real meeting, don't forget to toggle the camera switch on the pre-join screen. Teams intelligently remembers your last chosen camera, so you won't need to select it each time. However, if for any reason you need to switch cameras during a call, you can do so by clicking More, then Device Settings, and selecting a different camera from the list. And there you have it. You are now ready to connect and use